What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be transforming Ross's car. As you can see, this is his, we've done a video on it before. It's the crazy wide body e36 328. But the paint job on it is pretty terrible, done by the previous person. It looks rattle canned almost. So the idea is we're going to sand it all down and then paint it a fresh new colour, completely different colour. I won't tell you yet, you'll have to wait and watch the video to see what colour it is. Pink. Barbie stickers all over it. That'd kind of be lit, wouldn't it? Yeah. So yeah, he's going to start taking some panels off and we'll have to start sanding it. It's going to be a lot of sanding, but yeah, let's crack on. Right, so a little update on Ross's paint that we're going to be doing. He's got pretty much all the car sanded down now. Obviously I didn't film any of that, it'd be pretty boring to watch someone sanding. He's just doing the last bit at the moment, which is the bumper. We've got all the paint and everything now. We've got Rai as well. Finally decided to join us again. He hasn't had a BMW in a while, so he doesn't want to hang out with us. I've gone jack. Yeah, I've gone to the dark side, boring. But yeah, so we're just going around now, taping it all up, and then lay some primer on it, and then we'll show you the colour in a bit. But it is nice. It's going to be a, I don't know if we've already said it in the video, I don't think so. If we have, I'm going to bleep it out. But it's going to be a very drastic colour change, let's put it that way. It's nowhere near what it is. Got a Blakey boy, finally working back on his car. Yeah,
he might be ready one day.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
But yeah, I'll tape all this up and then I'll get back to you. All masked up, mate. I'm getting nervous now, Ross. Could turn out really good or really bad. See, they're just wiping it all down now with some cleaner stuff. Gonna do the bumper and then move on to the car. Not doing a very good job, mate. There's dust all over it.
Painting in a bar.
Yeah. All these little bits will really show up when the paint. To get the.
Same as this side. It's rough. Yeah. Rough as fuck.
Oh
same,
Jesus! Yeah.
It's the same as this side.
Yeah, but did you sound? That's what I'm saying.
Spider. There actually was though. I blew it, so it's probably on your trousers. Alright, gonna do this. Alright, so we've done all the sort of little pieces, bumpers and all them bits. Now it's time to move on to the car. We're also just dusting it down. It's already been all degreased and everything, so yeah, I mean it's turning out right. Obviously Ross didn't go ham on the prep work, so there's still quite a lot of scratches and stuff like that, but it's not that bothered because it is a drift car. But the rest of the bits come out really nice, so yeah. Also, the guns get quite heavy after spraying for a while. At first it's easy, but after a while your arm is dead. But should be weird seeing this car in primer. Right, so got it all primered. We've just sanded it down with, let me show you wherever they are. These pads, it's like super fine, probably like 2000 grit or something, I'm not sure exactly, but just take away any imperfections. Now, just need to clean it once again with some rags, which we've run out, so we're going to get some tomorrow morning, and then can paint it. But it's looking pretty good, Mike, pretty good. I will carry on when we're back tomorrow. See you then. Right, so it is day 2 of painting, and Blake's already making noise. Blur that out. We've just gone round, because last night we sanded it down just with the fine thingies. We've just gone round with rag, wiped it all down and blowed it off with the air gun. Ross is just cleaning up some bird poo that landed on the spoiler. Typical. There's a massive wet runner on there, mate. Yeah. It's embedded in, mate. It's part of your car now.
Yeah.
Lovely. But yeah, now it's time to lay some colour. So I'll probably update you once it's got its first layer of on there. Colour on there. I'll beep that out. Right, see you in a bit. Right, so we've done about 3 layers of base coat now. It's already looking awesome. Earlier on, I don't know if you saw in the video, the gun, I was having to go so close and it was only doing a tiny spray, and I'd done like half the car and it took hours. And then we cleaned the gun out and everything, and then I literally sprayed the car in seconds and it come out 10 times nicer. So that's our fault, we should have cleaned the gun. But now it looks amazing. There's only one issue. This wing here, I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's some sort of paint underneath and it's reacted. So, and also there and along the bottom of the side skirt. So maybe it was touched up at some point with a different type of paint. I had no idea. But it's the only part on the car. The rest of the car looks awesome. Look at the bonnet, it's perfect. So I think we're just going to apply lacquer on everything. And then probably going to have to redo this wing and skirt. Whether we do it now or not, I don't know, but yeah, I'll lacquer the rest of the car anyway, and then we'll figure it out. But yeah, Ross is just mixing it up now. So we've got 2K lacquer, so it's 2 parts lacquer and 1 part hardener. So yeah, let's mix it up and see how it goes.
So good.
Alright, you ready? Ta-da! Actually turned out pretty sick. There's a few bits of dust on it, but hopefully when we give it a polish, it'll come out. But minty fresh, mate. Like, look at this. Jeez. That is like factory, that is. Beautiful. Spoiler, mirrors. Looks so good. We're gonna let it dry overnight, then we'll peel it all off, all the tape and everything, and then yeah, I'll jump to the next clip when we do that. Alright, so it's the next day and it looks insane. We're gonna peel all the tape off and then probably take it outside and then we'll get a better view of it, but this is gonna be so satisfying, peeling all the tape off. It looks so nice. It actually turned out so good. Overnight it's like cured and it's, oh, it looks so good. Literally, it's turned out so nice. So nice. But yeah, start unwrapping this. Mate. Mate, it's so sick. Jesus. Mate, that pop.
Oh, it literally is.
It's insane.
Mad, isn't it? Oh, Ross, get in there, get a thumbnail, mate.
Looks so good. Such a nice colour. Oh, mate, look at that shine. So metallic.
I think this isn't even polished or anything. As soon as it like properly comes off.
And this thing turned out so good. Literally insane. Just needs a polish to get rid of a little bit of the orange peel. I don't know if you can see it, probably not on camera. It is a little bit of orange peel, but that will literally buff straight out. But the actual car looks amazing. Oh, look at that. Looks like brand new. Looks like it's come from factory. Well, not bad. First time ever painting a car and in a super dusty old barn, so pretty sweet. This car, I mean, it just looks like a completely different car. It is insane. The red just makes it pop so much. So sick. Also, just cleaned all of this up because in the next video it's going to be going to the dyno at SRD, so look out for that. That's going to be sick. Also got some new wheels, got some more Brock B1s. We've got a couple sets of these now. Got some nice sticky 651s on here, 235s, 4017s, which look meaty as hell. I've started chopping the arch out just because we're going to have the over fenders soon, but it looks so good. Look at that. Looks insane. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, watch out for next week's video where the car's going to be going to the dyno. Hopefully all goes okay. Kind of excited and nervous at the same time, so scary times. Tomorrow we're going to be loading it up on the trailer and then taking it there first thing Monday morning. They're going to have it for a couple of days, do their thing. I'll probably film some pulls and stuff. Yeah, can't wait. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.